Morning. So this is the first time I'm recording with the mic. I've set up the mic last time, so I'm not sure how good the audio is. I haven't even tested it. So this is the day 2 in Kerala. I stayed somewhere this city. I forgot the name now. Yesterday I was supposed to go till Iriti, but it got late. So and also I found a hotel somewhere nearby. I couldn't find any proper suggestion to go any other place, so I'm going to Muzaffirnagar driving beach first. I have been to the beach before. That was almost 4 years back, I believe. But yeah, I didn't have a drone or anything at that time, and I'm guessing I could record better this time. And basically I'm going there because I couldn't find any other better suggestion, and from there I'll probably ride south. I'm not sure till where I'll go tomorrow, and then Sunday I'll be heading back to Bangalore. Okay, we are almost there. This is the Muzaffirnagar drive-in beach. It's a bit hard to actually pronounce. I think this is the only few beaches in India where there is driving is allowed. Otherwise, basically the type of sand here is actually very hard, so that any vehicles, it doesn't really get stuck in the sand. 20. Okay, it's a bit tricky. My bike is it's slipping a bit. Okay, remember Dinesh? I met during the last time when I did the Kerala ride. He had the Impulse. I don't know how many. I just spoke to him. He said, "Come down." So he is at Coimbatore. So probably. But before that, I also spoke to Abhijit, who recently did few trails around Kerala. So he has. It's the same place. I think you guys remember from my last few videos of near Tusharagiri. We went on getting down from Vaitiri. Sometime I went towards that Tusharagiri. There was a bridge, and then there is that waterfall. So if the road continues towards, and there are few trails, it seems. Not exactly trail, but back roads, which goes and connects somewhere towards Manarakkad, then to Coimbatore. So that's what I want to do now, and it's been Dinesh has been calling me from quite a while now. I couldn't go for various reasons, but I wanted to go with Banu, but he also asked me to actually come with Banu, but she's going to miss it again. For now, this is hot weather. There are some viewpoints, but I don't want to visit the viewpoint in this weather. I would rather ride, because while riding you don't really feel that much hot. The weather is actually a big turn off for me. I was expecting rain. Video here. Video. Huh? Huh? This video aitunda. Say hi. He's curious. Why do you have a camera on your helmet? The only thing I hate about Kerala is these highways. I mean, all these highways. It's always like, usually it's not really wide roads, a lot of signals and traffic, so your average moving speed would be very less. But yeah, it's beautiful if you go out of the highways, but highways are usually, I mean, I hate. When I think came back from Meghamalai, I took this route and I almost like got pissed off after some like 4-5 hours of riding, because you can't ride more than like 30-40. There's a lot of these tourist places. I mean, I am recalling from my experience yesterday, so they were charging me for the, I mean, drone for 350 rupees. That is I mean, they are charging for the movie camera. So still camera 50 rupees and movie camera it was 350 rupees or something. But think about that, like, why, I mean, what happens after people taking photos? So once they take photo, they go and actually share it on social media or put it on, I mean, like I do, like I put it on YouTube. So this is actually a free publicity for the place. So why are you actually charging them? For commercial purpose, I understand. People actually take photos, videos, and then they go for like sell it or something, then fine. But for people like usual families and like all this, like Instagrammers or YouTubers or something, I don't think there's a point in charging the, you know, for the cameras or for the whole point of like all this effort in tourism. They are actually like, instead of spending it on advertisements, I mean, make it free. I don't know, just a thought. What do you guys think? Let me know. Okay, I had a yummy lunch. I can't say it's a lunch, a light lunch. I mean, I took appam and I also had a palampuri. This place is one of the best palampuri I have ever had. Like, it was super tasty, and I thought I'll add this place to the Google Maps. It wasn't there, and I asked him for the name. He laughed and he's like, there is no name for this, there is no name board also. So what I did, I mean, I just added it as a Palampuri hotel, and Google almost instantaneously approved it. If you guys are nearby, I think it's on the way towards Calicut, Kozhikode, so you can find this place and have a palampuri and let me know if it was good enough, or if you have had like a better one somewhere else. Yeah, let me know that as well. By the way, I ate about two appam, fish curry, and 2 palampuri and a tea. So the entire thing cost me 45 rupees. You know, this is why I actually go to, I mean, it not only that you will get a authentic food, but it's also easy on pocket, and also helps the, you know, local economy. It helps people make a living, not to the rich people again get rich. Go local, eat local, you'll be fine. I also filled the local water to my hydration pack, not buying any water bottle. It's fine. So now I have to ride all the way till Coimbatore, and I am taking a different route, which is via Mannarakkad, and then there is a forest route via Attapadi. So that's the plan for now. And all of a sudden it seems to be raining. I am at Mannarakkad now, and it suddenly seems to be raining. It always happens that once you wear the rain gears, it will always stop. This is my experience with the rain so far. In few minutes it poured like crazy. See here, by the time I secured everything, it almost drenched. I wanted to ride in rain and this happened so fast and I didn't have time to prepare. I think the other side it's clean. The rain is over. Okay, now it's time to Palampuri. I have added this place as well to the maps. This was also wasn't there. So it's 7:30 now. I'm at the Dinesh apartment. There is this Impulse Zuma. I'm in with the ZMA engine. I rode this when I was in Tamil Nadu last time. I just spoke to him. He's actually on the way back from the movie. After coming to Tamil Nadu, I'm finding this like a home. It's freshly taken out from the. It's coconut or it's coconut.
So the other palm, right? That's the best one actually.
Yeah, that's the actual.
But do you get in your town?
Yeah, used to, but now only coconut.
After crashing out the final lap, did Philip Barnes back with a win?
Pepper, jeeragam, very jeeragam. Fry.
Marc Marquez then in his Repsol Suzuki. Not a bad quality.
Few of them are asking about this. Like I posted your bike with ZMA engine, so they were asking like how to get it done or like how. Charisma is not a ZMR engine, is it?
No, mine is a ZMR engine.
Okay.
You can do with ZMR, Charisma.
Old Charisma. Okay.
ZMR is a bit more powerful, coming as stock. If we are on the highway, any enduro will feel like a crap.
Correct.
Because they won't be stable. And so I think it can do 90 to 100 pretty easily. It can cruise.
Okay.
And it can do 120, 125 and all at times.
Okay.
But you cannot hold it for long. On the B roads,
Yeah.
this is one of the best.
Ever.
Especially with the settling suspension change and etc. When we guys rode together, right?
Yeah.
Back then it had the stock suspension.
Okay.
So last year I changed it to Zedling.
Okay.
Now the bike is a different beast. The suspension alone will make a lot of difference. And with added power, different pistons, etc., you can make it as a hooligan.
Okay.
So wherever you want, the bike will really. It will do all kind of nonsense. Like it will jump easily. Once you hit the regular speed breakers inside the city, the bike will lift, and you can just carry it for a bit of time. Yeah, it's a fun little bike, and it will feel like a toy. So Impulse, it doesn't have any weight and it handles beautifully. So it will feel like a toy.
And you do that like setup here in Breeze Monkey?
We have done like 10 bikes till now.
Okay.
All are different setups.
Okay.
So the setup is kind of similar. An Impulse with a ZMR engine or ZMA engine
Okay.
with suspension mods.
Okay.
But the internals differ from client to client based on their what they expect out of the bike, what kind of power delivery they want. So and what kind of noise they want.
Okay.
If you need your bike to be less noisy, then we need to make a different kind of filter. If you're okay with the noise, we can make a bike which is powerful, which can hold higher RPMs well without sound.
Let's say like if I have like someone has a stock and if they want to like all that setup, so how much it will cost for them? Like rough idea, I know that it like a lot of other
an
ways.
engine will cost at least 10,000 with CDI and wiring.
Okay.
And then labor read, including redoing the engine, completely building the bike, suspension, etc. Maybe 12k of labor for engine and another 10 like 22. And then spares maybe another 20.
Okay.
So this is for a basic setup.
Okay.
If they are including Z-Link, the Z-Link alone will cost them 21,500. Both front and back. That will make a world of it. With Z-Link, tips and tires, etc. it will be like 80,000.
In the quantity,
Uh,
on the quantity.
I'll be late to Bangalore, but go stomach full. Okay, thank you Dinesh and Jalani and Arjun for the yummy meal. It's like superb, it tastes superb, and we have a local drink as well. Thank you Dinesh. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Really nice folks. That's why actually I wanted to come here for the second time. I'm already late. I'm at 3:15 now, and this will be my fastest flight to Bangalore.